Hello, it is Cheap Nails. Happy New Day, Virgo with Nail Art. And in this video, I'm going to be doing a nail design based on Saint Cecelia. And I'm going to be using this wonderful nail foil that's all flowers. All different types of flowers. Isn't it so pretty? So let's get on to this nail design. Okay, as you can see, I have already prepped my nails to be painted. If you want to see a video about that, you can click the I button. But yeah, they're all prepped and ready to go. So let's go ahead and put on our base coat. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild Dollar base coat. And I'm going to go ahead and apply, one coat to all of my nails. And I'm going to completely let that all dry. And once that is dry, I'm going to go ahead and take my LA Colors white nail polish. And I'm going to do 2 coats of white nail polish. Alright, I've painted my nails with 2 coats of white nail polish and it is dry, and now I'm going to take my paintbrush and some acrylic paint and I'm going to go ahead and paint over the white nail polish. It is important that if you're going to paint your nails with acrylic paint that you use white nail polish underneath, just because it just makes it more opaque and you don't have to do a million coats of acrylic paint. So I'm going to paint my index finger this dark green that's just really lovely, and I'm going to paint my middle finger and my pinky this lovely brown, and my middle finger and my ring finger I'm going to go ahead and paint this wonderful metallic gold. And I did about 1 coat of the metallic gold, and for the brown acrylic paint I did 2 coats, and the green I did 1 coat. You can also use nail polish. You don't have to use green acrylic paint or brown acrylic paint. But I didn't have these certain colors in nail polish, so I went ahead and painted my nails with this lovely acrylic paint. Alright, there we go. My acrylic paint is all dried and opaque. And we're moving on to the first design, which is the roses from the crown. Now, Saint Cecelia was gifted a crown of roses and lilies, so I thought, why not use this new foil I just got? Now, there's no lilies in here though. These are mainly just roses, like daisies. But I thought, why not? So let's pick some roses out to put on my nails just to represent the crown she was given. So I think that, these foil is so pretty. Look, they're so pretty. But I think I'll pick this one because, I don't know, it just looks like just normal red roses, and I like the green. The green leaves match my index finger green acrylic paint. So let's cut it. Let's take this piece. Now, the next thing we need when we're using foil is foil glue. So I'm going to take this Starry glue and I'm going to go ahead and paint a thin layer over my nail, and we're going to let it dry. I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my pinky too, and then I wait to 5 to 6 minutes for it to dry. It dries clear, transparent, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the foil, the beautiful rose foil, on there, and I'm just going to lightly pat it down, and then I'm just going to rip it off. No, I'm kidding. I'm just going to lift it up, and usually it transfers. Now, if it doesn't all transfer, you can just press it down again, and then just press it down with a little bit more and a little bit more, and if it just will not transfer to your nail, you can apply more nail glue, let that dry, and then do it again. It's pretty fun and pretty awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it to my pinky too. There we go, my pinky and my middle finger is all foiled up. So I'm going to go ahead and take some of that gold nail polish that I used before, and I'm going to just put some dots on there just to accent it with the others. Okay, moving on to my next nail design, which is a singing heart. Now, Saint Cecelia always sang to God from her heart. So I thought, why not paint a heart? Paint some musical notes, huh? That's a good idea. I think it is too. So I'm going to take that little bitty dotting tool and I'm just going to start to paint a heart. And I usually start with 3 dots, 2 on the top, 1 on the bottom, and then I just go ahead and I just kind of slowly paint it until it's a heart shape. Then I'll take some of that brown acrylic paint and just make some musical notes. And if you mess up a little bit, you can always go in with more of the gold polish and just kind of paint over your mistakes. I really like the look of this brown acrylic paint with this gold and like this off pinkish red that I picked for the heart. I think they just kind of go together. I just like it. Now I'm going to also apply some of that foil glue on the heart, let it dry, and then I'm going to just apply a little bit of that foil that I applied to the other nails just to tie that in and give the heart a little texture. Doesn't it look so pretty? It's all done and I love how it came out. Okay, the last nail design is the Patron Saint of Music. She is the Patron Saint of Music, so I gotta put an instrument on my index finger. So I thought she's mostly depicted with a harp. So yeah, let's go ahead and paint a harp. I've painted a harp before on my nails, but this is the second time and it's kind of a heart. To paint a harp, you gotta kind of paint a heart. Does that make sense? Yeah, it kind of looks like a heart. But I'm gonna go ahead and use that brown acrylic paint and then I'll outline it with gold. It's like a gold harp. It's like a brown and gold harp. And then I'm gonna use gray acrylic paint for the strings of the harp. And there we go, the harp is all done. I think it came out beautifully. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this Born Pretty No Smudge top coat and I'm gonna put that on all my nails. Even though I didn't really paint little details with nail polish, which is notorious for smudging when you put top coat on, I mainly painted all of this with acrylic paint. I'm still gonna put it on just to make sure and be safe. And also, this foil does not tint. I've noticed that like you have to use a water-based top coat with foil, but because it tints it, but this foil, it doesn't tint. And also, after that is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put a long wear top coat over that because that Born Pretty No Smudge top coat does not last for very long. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this long wear over my nails. Make sure I get under my nails and then they are all done. I really love how they came out. I really tried to put different colors, use a whole bunch of different colors like gold and brown and green and pink and reds, and just step out of my element and try to put different colors together, and I think they all worked out. And of course I love that they're based on Saint Cecelia because she's the patron saint of music, and I have a music channel. Like, I love music, it's important to me. So I really enjoyed making this nail design, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial too. If you like it, please give it a like, and you can click or tap the screen to subscribe, or click or tap the screen to watch another one of my videos. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next Friday. Bye!